You are going to love the 2016 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, HomeLink garage door opener, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.